Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. Um, took some trades in the morning and but had $95 of profit so far. Not a great moving day, so it was difficult to make money in this market. Market was um, between yesterday's high and low points, and it's been grinding back and forth. So not a great market to trade in, uh, but let's see what we can make out of it. Um, so let's see if I can trade NQ. I'll duplicate it in new tab here and use maybe 500 tick chart and see if that gives us a better visibility. Loading up this software, and I'm going to trade 43. This is a brand new account, evaluation account. So let's see if we can make something out of this market. So this ATM2 is not going to give us a whole lot of profit this morning, as I it's a two-way market grinding. Contrarian trades is what I plan to trade. Gold looks good. So it's a two-way back and forth market. It's very few ticks of movement each way. So I would like to trade only in the extremes. Yeah, maybe, churn trade, but we don't get too many trades doing churn trades. So that's a drawback. So market is stuck between this range. There is no movement, no significant movement. I can take a contrarian trade here, but sometimes it could pull to the other extreme. So I'll tend to trade only in the extremes. And for that, churn is one suitable strategy. And then churn scalper is another one, but churn scalper, again, big candles and very little room to trade. So until the market picks up, maybe I should be looking at gold. Gold is trending up, which could mean the market is going to come down. So let me keep the gold chart on. 0, 43. So and gold has moved quite a bit. It's a uptrending day for gold. Gold is grinding its way up. Nasdaq not going anywhere. RTY. I would like to trade RTY, but even that's making a range now. ES, that's also stuck in a range. So maybe I should stick to gold. So now the question is whether I want to trade contrarian or default trade. And since the market is grinding, I will perhaps stay contrarian. So trade is about to come, hopefully. Okay, got a trade. Not yet. Yeah, it's filled now. So let me wait 3. Here you go. All right. So let's see if we get 4 ticks of profit. If not, we'll end up adjusting. So it turns out that we are going to get some heat. In that case, I will turn the churn scalper on, scaling mode on, and as I said, not a great market. So it's back and forth, going back and forth a lot. I thought gold was trending up nicely, but it gave us a deep pullback here below this line, which I'm not very happy about. I was hoping that. So I will try to salvage this trade closer. Market is not moving. Stuck in a place. So ideally in this kind of market, better not to trade. Hardly any movement. So seems as if it's halted. It's halted, not moving anywhere. Anyway, I kind of moved the target to break even. I don't intend to make money out of this trade. Even if market goes back up, unless I see some momentum, I will resist taking trades. And I turned the long off. I do not want to scale in because price is so close to the target. It's not a great place to average your position. You wait for market to push few ticks up and get out. Averaging is good when market has moved significantly away from your position. Not a great sight here. Let me check other. Okay, RTY. Is it going to go back up? Not sure. Churn scalper could be turned on in this case, just one ATM. I think I shouldn't take a risk in this kind of market.
Target filled.
Okay, the gold position got closed. Just one tick, it came out. So I wasn't happy with this pullback. So I kind of wanted to close this position as quickly as possible. So it's evident that I should not trade with multiple contracts. Just one contract. If it works, works. Otherwise, few ticks of profit I should be happy with.
Order filled.
So another RTY trade.
Target filled.
And RTY trade got closed as well. So I need to make sure I have selected the right instrument. Sorry, right account. Yeah, so I got quick $20 of profit. Not a whole lot to talk about, but as I said, I wanted to keep my risk low in this kind of slow market. Which one is that? Which one is that? Did I keep?
Target filled.
It was RTY only. RTY took another super scalper trade. All right, okay, it's super scalper, not churn scalper. That's why churn scalper wouldn't have taken this trade, because for churn scalper, the price for short trade price has to be above this green line, but here below green line, the trade was taken. So $40 here, $10 here, $50. Live trading not helping. Before live trading, I took some trades on NQ, made $95. Not a whole lot, but hey, you don't complain. Anything green is green. So what do I do with gold? It's again stuck in sideways market. I could take contrarian trade, try to go long again, but that's not how we should trade when there is a separation between red and green lines. Maybe ES. ES, no, not pretty. NQ, maybe just with one contract, $20. And some $4 will be gone in commissions. Not a whole lot of profit. So this kind of market also teaches us to be patient. Should not force a trade. Should not force a trade. So when the market is stuck in this kind of range, not force the trade. I can find a trade like, see, this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Not a great sight. So maybe if the price comes here, I will take a contrarian trade. I want it to reach to this red line.
Order submitted.
Order submitted but not filled yet. I'm going to
Order
cancel
canceled.
that. The order is not filled quickly. I don't want to take it, especially in the slow market. Fast market, I might wait because it could come back quickly. If it gotten filled, I would have gotten profit.
Order filled.
What was that? I kept something on somewhere. Okay. So this trade, okay, this one is on real account. I didn't intend it to be in real account. Okay, let's see. This will be an interesting trade then. Okay. The market is pushing up now, which I don't like, as I have taken a short trade here. Though accidentally, I did not see the button was on. So what do we do when we take a trade accidentally? Just try to close as quickly as possible, because it was not as per my plan. Now, even if it gives me, it could give me profit. If it is not as per my plan, I better get out of it. So I got out of it. So see, guys, I am multitasking here. I normally try to focus on one chart, but since there is no market, I've been switching back and forth between charts to find a trade so that I can show you guys. But and in the process, I forgot that I had kept a button on, short trade button on, and so I suspect GC to come down. It's about to make a turn, but other instruments are not cooperating. I like other, when the market, general market goes up, the gold comes down, and vice versa. So gold is stuck in a range. The rest of the market, like ES, NQ, RTY, YM, are also stuck in a range. So I see some potential in CL. Shall we trade CL? CL I don't like to trade. This instrument makes wild movements, sometimes uncontrollable. Suddenly it will make large, big candle. And if I'm stuck in the wrong direction, it's not good. So I don't want to show you guys this one, even though so RTY coming down again. The market is generally lower. So if I must, I should trade maybe. Now market is waiting for liquidity, wants to grab liquidity from one end or the other and then snap back to the other end. That's why it's trying to do. So I'm being careful. One good way to trade is manually in the extremes of VWAP to SD line, two standard deviation line. So this is one standard deviation, this is two standard deviations. So at these extremes, we could trade and make some profit. Um, so what's happening here? And why do I have only one line? Oh, it's a 30-second chart. No wonder. Didn't look right. Now it's better. You can see here on 2-minute chart, which is my mostly the reference chart for direction. The market is stuck around 233 SMA, which is not a great place to be in. So a great place to trade, make trades. Good to start trading or taking short trades from here after this big red candle. Come all the way here. But when you are here, not sure whether market is trying to go up, but from here it could come down from this 21 SMA after hitting 21 SMA. So, oh, okay, I should have taken a trade here and Q. That's the zone I was waiting for. Today's trade, difficult to trade automatically, meaning software, you have to kind of stare the software a little bit in this kind of market. So see here, the range last 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 minutes, it's been just stuck in this range. So I'm going to use this here, chart trader hidden, and this one, this account here, and hide the chart so we get more landscape. Okay, here I missed a trade again. Sometimes talking, explaining, switching between the charts makes us miss the trades, good trades. Not that I could have traded many contracts in this market, but sometimes trade get missed. So I'm going to trade maybe for some few more minutes. There's not nothing much to teach you guys today about trading, and not at this moment. Yesterday was good. Yesterday we made 625. In fact, I figured that we made more during live trading, maybe 150 more, around 775, but I miscalculated during the session and stated $625. So that's what you will see in the thumbnail of yesterday's live trading video. Market is coming down again. We're here. I expect market to come down to grab liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity. Yes, it's coming down now. Um, Down to grab liquidity. This one.
Order filled. Target filled.
Right. There is one trade here. And
Target filled.
yes, so $140. $140. I just saw and turned the super scalper on for price to retrace back to 21 SMA because there was extreme stretch and price touched 2 standard deviation on Viva, and I took the trade $140. So something market gives something. We have to be patient. Now, what should be my next trade? Feel like market is going to trend down, but at the same time, this today is a sideways market, so I want to be careful, and don't want to be trading shorting here when market has stretched to 2 standard deviation on the lower side. So see, if I had taken default trade, it wouldn't have gone anywhere. So again, I'll wait for market to come back here before taking super scalper at this point. So what trade can be taken? I'll wait for price to go up here, and then I will trade. I'll take short trades. I'm switching between 2 different accounts. This is an evaluation account. This is a funded account. I want to stretch to market to stretch to this point, or this level, 790 level. Made a big red bar, then big green bar on the opposite side. This is what I mean by sideways market. Market has no clue which direction it wants to go. One big red bar, then big green bar. Red bar, green bar, then red bar, smaller green bar. It's like a salt and pepper market. Again, I could have taken, in normal days, in my demos, I keep, let me first put a stop here. I take contrarian, and this would give me a lot of profit. In demo, usually I show this. So in tomorrow's webinar, if you join, if I had taken this trade, I put the stop so that it won't take any more trades. You'll see this will make me $2,000. This would make me $2,000. But here I'm trading funded account, so I don't want to take any risk. I don't want to blow it up. That's the reason. In webinars I mentioned that the software is capable. It's capable of making $2,000, but I deliberately not make $2,000 because I want to be consistent. Um, with consistency, even if I make $100 a day, that's the key to long-term success. You trade parallelly across 10 accounts, and $95 per account will become $950 across accounts with low risk. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here, and also um, uh, teach. So tomorrow you will see. When I do the demo of the software, I'll keep this on, and this will give me easily $2,000 of profit. So uh, I could do that. I could do that on evaluation account. That way you will pass evaluations quicker. But when it's funded account, um, you should be defensive. With one funded account, I can take chances, but here what we are trying is we want to develop the ability to trade across multiple funded accounts. And for that, you want to keep a profit target small. And when there is a good market like yesterday, you can make $500 per account, and maybe $5,000 a day you will have. So it's just that need to see what is your best strategy. You need to treat like a business, not like gambling. Market is going back up. So as I said, I'm going to trade only one contract. So contrarian. Actually, gold has started to move up. So let's see.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So one gold trade I have taken.
Target filled.
All right, $40 here. This is trending. This is the trend I'm talking about. Default trade or even contrarian trade would be ideal. It's been trending here. I took a trade, then it gave me hit, so I stopped trading because it was again sideways. Now again, the two lines started to separate. The two lines are 21 SMA, and this one is I think it's 21 SMMA, the smooth moving average, 21 SMMA. If you want to know how to get these lines on your system, just drop me a note, and I will send you information. So we'll load up. right? So send me an email at info@slivertrades.com. This is the email. And so guys, how much we made? $50 here live, 140 here, 190, and then here $45, $235, and I think this 95 I had made before going live, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So I'm not going to add that. Uh, Nothing here. Could trade here. I'm not going to risk it. So 45, 50, 95, and 140. So $235. And then Q is pushing up. Not trading. I want to trade gold. This is also pushing up. $235. Usually $300 is what I uh, target. If I add this 95, it's $300. But while doing live trading, we made $235. So yesterday's 775, today's 300, about $1,000 in last 2 days. Not bad, right? Just trading less than an hour. About an hour. I started at 8:30. I started checking the market. We'll stop around 10 o'clock. I'll see if I can get one more trade here. I can go for default because market is pushing up, but it's market is far from this green line, so I would wait for a pullback. Say scaling is on. I don't want to keep that on. We've been trading for 35 minutes live. To wait for market to come back. So okay. Yeah, so this kind of movement is what gives us losses, with NQ. Say you shorted here for any reason, whatever strategy it was, and it suddenly stretched. You think at 233 line you would short for a reaction, and market still going up. So contrarian trade fails here. Super scalper could help, because it will not take any trades. But then you'll get a lot of heat. So that's the reason when market is choppy like this and no trend. Trend is when this green line and blue line will be parallel, almost look like parallel, like a railroad track. So to give you an example, I'm going to show you a chart what I mean by railroad track. This is the example of a railroad track market, perfect uptrending market. two lines, the green line and blue line are separated. Here you could take default trades. You'll get like good 3-4 trades and go have profitable day. I did not trade CL because I find this instrument dicey. Suddenly it makes big movements. Suddenly, so that's why I didn't want, especially in live trading, I didn't want to give. I wanted to focus on teaching rather than managing my trades if it went bad. So. And gold is another one. It's a nice railroad track uptrending market at this moment. This one, but I'm not okay. I missed one trade here. I was explaining CL and I missed a default trade here. I did not keep the button on, rightly so. So anyway, I'm not sure I would have taken this because I would like the market to pull back to 21 SMA before I take trades. Stretched a bit. And it gave a good indication. I mean, I knew it was like nice uptrending market just because this price went below this low, this line. I thought the trend is over or about to be over. In fact, at one point I was thinking maybe it will come down to meet the red line, but it did not. So I can turn default trade on now. Be contrarian, I should trade.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right, quick contrarian trade here. $40 again. So it's 275. Earlier, like 235, and this 40, 275. That's the gross profit today. After taking this trade, I would do a super scalper. Maybe default will be fine, if at all. So now it's a nice pullback. Maybe it will pull back to this level here. Pullback of quite a few bars, so market will perhaps test this line again. And I would consider trend to be over now. I will, unless this kind of situation happens again, because it's a sharp pullback, unlike this one. So kind of double top and then quite a bit of pullback. So default trade will not get us any trade. Maybe super scalper will. And then let's see. Yeah, I don't want to confuse you guys with multiple strategies. I want to keep it simple. Take default trades or contrarian trades. I know super scalper will work here, could work here because it's a nice pullback. Now when the market is trying to go back up to 21 SMA, I'll get a few ticks of profit. Uh, so trade is will likely come here. Um, no, it's not coming. We have to fix something with the trade signal of super scalper, because super scalper condition is not forming here, and still the risk level shown here is R11. It should disappear. Get this code fixed, because when it says R11, it means trade is imminent. Super scalper needs two bars of same color in one direction. If there was two green colors, two green bars, a trade would have been possible. Since there was only one green bar, then next bar was a red bar, super scalper trade did not take place. So gold market has slowed down again. Okay, trade is likely come here. Not a great trade. I don't like this place, because as soon as the trade will take place, it will hit 21 SMA green line, which kind of acts as a resistance. So not my favorite place to take trade, but since the market
Order
has been
submitted.
uptrending, I have let the order get placed, but order is not filled.
Order filled.
Okay, now it's filled. And let's see if it pushes one more tick.
Target filled.
Target filled. So $40 more, guys. So 130 here. So total is how much? 315. 130 here. 140 here. So 270. 270 and 45. $315 while trading live, and including this $410 day. So that's good for today. So as I said, I like to trade till 10 o'clock. I started at around 8:30. Started live trading at around 9:05, I think. So in 45 minutes, we made $315. So another good day of trading. Not a great day, but good day. And good day is good day. Every day, if every day is a good day like this, $300, won't complain. Won't complain at all. And trust me, this is just with one account. When you multi-prop, when you copy trade, you can double these uh, double these profits, multiply these profits as the number of accounts you are trading in. So that's all. Signing off with um, and knowing that we made how much. Let me turn the pen on. Knowing that how much we made. So it's a green day, so I'm going to use green color. 315 in about 40 minutes. Today is 11/22/2024. All right. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining. Happy trading. Stay safe and have a great weekend. Bye.